Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 53. And remember that we are going to have our revised, reduced syllabus in 10th class. And last time I have finished exercise 4.2, 4.1 and chapter number 3. And I have solved those questions which were added in your revised reduced syllabus. Today we will have exercise 4.3 and remember that you have solved already question number 1, question number 6, question number 8. So question number 4 is added and it is exactly according to your question number 1 and 6. I hope that you can complete that question by yourself. And after that we have exercise 4.4 and we have already finished our syllabus of exercise 4.4 and last time we solved question number 1 and 3. So question number 2 is exactly according to question number 3. Even the denominator of question number 2 and 3, they are both same. So you have to apply the procedure of repeated quadratic factors. Exercise 4.4, question number 2, x4 plus 3x squared plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square. This is your question number 2. And this is fourth type. It is repeated quadratic factors. So first of all, you must check the order of numerator and denominator. Here the order is 4 and denominator this square and square order 4 plus 1, x power 1 is 5. So the order of numerator is 4 and order of denominator is 5. So it is proper fraction. And in case of proper fraction, you can write down directly as let by partial fraction x4 plus 3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square. That will be a over x plus 1 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. Remember that this is degree 2 and for degree 2 we must have two constants. And this is for the first power. And the next is dx plus e over x square plus 1 whole square. This is your equation number 1. In first power we have two constants and the second power we again have two constants. The number of constants will be equal to the degree of denominator. Here x square plus 1 here. So we have already two constants. And for this power we have the other two constants. Now multiplying both sides, by LCM, x plus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square, and we are left with x4 plus 3x square plus x plus 1. That is equal to a into x square plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 cancelled out and we are left with bx plus c into x plus 1 into x square plus 1. One power cancelled out. And after that we have dx plus e into x square plus 1 whole square and x square plus 1 whole square. They are cancelled out. We are left with x plus 1 now. Here is x plus 1. This is equation number 2. Putting, we have one linear factor. Therefore, we can find one constant by putting method. Putting x plus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 2. So we have minus 1 power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1 a into minus 1 square plus 1 whole square. And remember that this is x plus 1 and here is x plus 1 in both cases. So this is multiplied by 0 and third term x plus 1 also 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled out. We have 1 plus 3 is equal to a into minus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. So we have a is equal to 4 by 4 and a is equal to 1. So we have one constant as a is equal to 1. After this, we will use comparison method. We will use comparison method. From equation 2, x4 plus 3x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a into x4 plus 2x square plus 1. I have opened up the formula of square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then bx plus c into, multiply them, it will be x cube plus x square plus 1. X into x square, x cube, then x is multiplied by 1, then 1 into x square and 1 into 1. Here is dx square plus dx plus ex plus e. Dx square plus dx plus ex plus e. After this, we will multiply x4 plus 3x square plus x plus 1 is equal to ax4 plus 2ax square plus 8 plus bx4 plus bx square plus bx cube plus bx plus cx cube plus cx plus cx square plus c. bx4, this one, bx4 plus bx square plus bx cube plus bx. Then c into x cube, cx cube plus cx square plus c. And plus dx square plus dx plus ex and plus e. Dear students, now we will write down like terms side by side. We will write down like terms side by side. Actually, equation number 1 is required. I will use equation number 1 to put the values of a, b, c, d, e. And after that, here we have we will write down like terms side by side. First of all, here is x4 plus 3x square plus x plus 1 is equal to, this is ax4 and bx4. ax4 plus bx4. Is there any power with variable 4? No. So we have a plus b into x4. We have taken x4 common from here, then a plus b. After this, we will write down the terms involving power 3 cube, b plus c, yes, b plus c into x cube. Then we will have x squared, terms involving x squared, 2a plus b, 2a plus b plus c plus d into x squared. Then we will write down all the terms involving x. This is b plus c, b plus c plus d plus e into x. b plus c plus d plus e into x. After that we have constants a plus c and plus e. a plus c plus e. These are constants. Comparing coefficients of x4, x cubed, x squared, x and constants. Comparing coefficient of x squared, x4, x cubed, x squared, x and constant. Now we have a plus b is equal to 1. A plus b is equal to 1. Remember that we have already a is equal to 1 here. So put 1 here to find b. So b is equal to 1 minus 1. B is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 0. Then b plus c is equal to 0 because we do not have the term involving x cube on left hand side. So b plus c is equal to 0 and b was 0. So c is equal to 0 also. C is equal to 0. After that, we will have the coefficients of x squared. 2a plus b plus c plus d. 2a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 3. Coefficient of x squared is 3 here. And here is the coefficient of x squared. 2a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 3. Using values of a, b, c, you can have a as 1, b is 0, c is 0, and d is equal to 3. b 0, c 0, and a is 1. Bring this 2 on the other side, you will have d is equal to 3 minus 2. That will be 1. So d is equal to 1. After that, we will take coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? b plus c plus d plus e, and here is 1. b plus c plus d plus e is equal to 1. Coefficient of x is 1. What about value of b? 0, c 0, d 1. 0 plus 0 plus b is 1 plus e is equal to 1. So e is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. E is equal to 0. Now dear students, we will apply all these values of a, b, c, d, e in equation number 1. So this will be your partial fraction, your final result. Using values of A, B, C, D, E in equation number 1. Dear students, value of A is 1, B is, this is 0x plus 0, then D is 1x, and E is 0. So we have 1 over x plus 1 plus x over x square plus 1 whole square. Remember that this is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 or something is 0. So this is your final result of the partial fraction. I hope that you understood. And now we are moving to our chapter number 5. In chapter number 5, there are some parts which are added here, and we will solve some of the parts here. This is chapter number 5, sets and functions. Sets and functions. Chapter number 5. Exercise 5.1. Dear students, we are given question number 2. Set of prime number less than or equal to 17. Question number 2. Set X is set of prime numbers less than or equal to 17. Now you have to tabulate. Set of prime number is the set containing the numbers which are divided by 1 or by themselves. So this is 2. This is only one even number which is prime. 3, 5, 7, not 9. Because 9 can be divided by 1, 3 and 9. Then 11, 13, not 15, because 15 can be divided by 1, 3, 5, 15, and then 17. Dear students, this is X, which is set of prime number less than or equal to 17. And Y is set of first 12 natural numbers. Set of first 12 natural numbers. You can see it can be tabulated as 1, 2, 3 up to so on 12. This is set of first 12 natural numbers. Dear students, first part is and fourth part is asked X union Y. Part number 1 is X union Y. What will be value of X? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Union Y is 1, 2, 3 up to so on 12. Now you are taking union. Union means to combine. Write down all members and common members will be written one time. So that's why we can write down 1, 2, 3 up to so on 12. 5, 3, 2, 7, 11, they are all covered. 13 and 17 remain left. So you may write down this way. After that, part number 4 is x intersection y. So we have here intersection. Part number 4. X intersection y. We have used already the values. Here is intersection. Intersection means common members of two sets. Definitely 2 is present in both 3, 5, 7 and 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, they are present in both. So this is your part number 4. After that, you can do question number 3. X is equal to 5, empty set. That is the positive set of integers and t is positive odd numbers. So you can use these sets and solve these parts. After that, question number 4, we have already completed part number 3 of your question number 4. 1, 2 and part 4 are given. Part number 4. Question number 4. Universal set x such that x belongs to n and x is greater than 3 and less than equal to 25. Dear students, I am tabulating these values. X such that x belongs to n and x is greater than 3. Greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6 up to so on 25. Yes, x such that x is a prime number and x is greater than 8 and less than 25. Dear students, you can check your sets from the book. I am directly writing down their tabular form. X is a prime number and x is greater than 8. Greater than 8 is 11, 13, not 15, 16, 17, 17, 19, 20, no 20, 21 not, 22 not, 23, 24 not and 25 not. So this is set of prime number greater than 8 and less than 25. What is y? Y is set of whole number. X is from 4 to 70. 4, 5, 6 up to so on 70. Dear students, we are given part number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am solving part number 1 and 2. Actually, part number 1 and 2 are collectively the De Morgan's law. And in this case, you will see left hand side must be equal to right hand side. It means that part number 1 will be equal to part number 2. Both will have the same answer. X union y complement. X union y whole complement. First of all, we will find x union y. X is 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Union y is 4, 5, 6 up to so on 17. Dear students, x union y means you have to take union, you have to combine both sets and common member will be written one time. So clearly from 4 to 17 they are all present. 4, 5, 6 up to so on 17, and 11, 13, 17 are included here. So what left? 19 and 23. This is your X union Y. Now X union Y whole complement, that will be universal minus X union Y. X union Y whole complement is universal minus X union Y. And what about universal? 4, 5, 6 up to so on 25 minus 4, 5, 6 up to so on 17, 19 and 23. Dear students, leave these members from first set, from the universal. Or you can say we subtract these all members from the universal, and what left here we will write down. 4 to 17 they are cancelled from here. What left here? 18. 19 is there. 20, 21, 22, 23 is there. So it is cancelled from here. 24 and 25. Dear students, this is your part number 1. And in case of part number 2, you will get the same answer. This one. Because actually these parts are the two sides of De Morgan's law. Here we can have part number 2 is X complement intersection Y complement. X complement intersection Y complement. What about X complement? X complement is universal minus X. Universal is 4, 5, 6 up to so on 25 minus X is 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So we are left with, subtract these members from universal or cancel these numbers from here, and the other numbers will be written. Universal minus X mean the members of universal set which are not in X, they will be written. So here is 4, 5, 6 up to so on 10. Here is 11. 4, 5, 6 up to so on 10. 11 cancelled. Then we will write down 12. 13 cancelled. 14, 15, 16. 13 is cancelled. 14, 15, 16 are included, and 17 cancelled. We will have 18, 19, no, 19 is there. 18, 19 cancelled, 20, 21, 22, 23 cancelled, 24 and 25. This is your X dash complement of X. Similarly, Y complement is universal minus Y. 4, 5, 6 up to so on 25 minus Y is 4, 5, 6 up to so on 17. What left? From universal set, we will subtract these members and remaining we will write down. 4 to 17, they are all cancelled out. What left here? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So we have 18 and up to 25. They are present here in universal and not here. After that, we will take X complement intersection Y complement. What is x complement this number? 4, 5, 6 up to so on 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24 and 25. Then intersection, we have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Dear students, here we have intersection. Intersection means common members of both sets. What is present common in both? 18 is present, 20, 21, 22, 21, 22, then 24, 25, 24 and 25. Dear students, you can check 18, 20, 21, 22, 24 and 25. That is your part number 2, but it is equal to your part number 1. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand side in case of De Morgan's law, and that is confirmed. I hope that you can do other. After that, we have question exercise 5.2. And we have to find the associative property of union and intersection. But the same thing is present in question number 2. And I think if we take question number 2, we can have the better idea about your question number 1. So if you solve question number 2 parts, then you can understand easily the parts in question number 1. So I am taking question number 2. Simply the difference is in question number 1, associative property of union and intersection is given. In case of question number 3, we have commutative property of union intersection and distributive property of union over intersection and intersection over union. So in this way, we have exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. So if A is equal to 1 to 6, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and C is equal to 1, 4, 8. 1, 4 and 8. There are 4 parts. I am taking one part from part number 1 and 2 and one from 3 and 4. So I am taking part number 1. You have to prove that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Using values, A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection B is 1, 4, 8. Is equal to B is 1, 4, 8 first. Then intersection A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Dear students, you can check what is common in both. Intersection means common member of two sets. 4 and 8 are common in both. 4 and 8. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that was your part number 1. I hope that you understood this question, and you can do other part. A union B is equal to B union A. In case of union, you can combine the two sets and get your answer. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.